unboxing this.
National
Stunting Science National Geographic Mega Science Series.
Stunning.
Chemistry.
Stunning science chemistry set. 45 experiments. What? How many books we got there? Just one? Hey, I want to see what's inside. One.
Whoa! Look at this.
Ooh.
Oh, there's powder in here.
Ooh, a volcano. That's to make your volcano.
Plaster. Oh, that's plaster.
You're gonna build a volcano?
A volcano
Ooh, a mold.
with a red rubber band to match it.
Awesome.
These are the same.
Whoops. Ooh.
Goggles.
No goggles, yeah.
Ooh, a paintbrush.
I might want to see you wear those. Oh, paintbrush. Ooh, you get to paint. What all? We gotta see what's in there. What is that? Oh, that's maybe the base of your volcano? I'm not sure. I don't know. There he is. Scientist. All right.
I'm Bill Nye the Science Guy.
No?
I'm back.
You're
I'm
back? And then you
Bill Nye the Science Guy was here just a minute ago.
Yeah, okay. Was he? He looked suspiciously like you. You must be twins.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have gloves and what? Balloons? Are those balloons in there?
Oh, this is a popsicle
That is
holder.
actually a tongue depressor. Popsicle sticks are a little bit smaller. That's more like a tongue depressor size. Okay. So, wait, we have to look inside these bags.
Hey!
You got a scoop and a balloon, couple of balloons, I think. What is this black thing? There's some black, oh, it's a rubber stopper. And what? What?
Wait, these are the same
A
as
cleaner?
the Irving.
Well, okay, but they might not have watched the other video. So you got your cleaner. Oh, a syringe.
Oh, look.
Here.
You know this box? Look.
Oh.
Oh, sorry. See, it has this.
Ooh, like a little rocket. You do a little rocket. What's this?
I don't know what's this.
It is eruption powder. A.
Wait, it didn't
And
come.
eruption powder. B.
I think this set's missing something actually.
Why?
Look, the launcher is there. Well, where is the launcher?
The launcher is the tube. It's a test tube that you're going to put stuff in.
Oh, so this test tube because it won't fit in the other test tube. Okay, I guess that's it.
I'm sure we'll figure that out.
What's a syringe?
Big scoop. Again. Cup and a beaker. Really? Okay. Ooh, these are glass. Is this glass? I know that's. Oh, where's that? Is that glass? I don't know.
Plastic. It's
That,
plastic.
you got lucky. All right, we got colors. You got
Can we just be done?
no red,
Because
black,
we are breaking.
yellow.
We are breaking everything.
No, they want to know what's all in here. That's the whole idea. Copper sulfate,
Is that the most dangerous substance?
red cabbage powder. What?
Citric acid.
Citric acid. Wait.
Sodium carbonate. Calcium.
Stop it. Sodium carbonate.
Pop crystals.
I'm getting upset.
Baking soda.
Citric acid. We already did that.
Baking soda.
Ah.
Oh, wait.
Ooh, we have a lot of baking soda.
Whoa. Vegetable oil.
You have vegetable oil, pop crystals. Ooh. That's
Oh,
going to be
wait.
interesting.
Wait.
Baking soda. More.
It's covered. I can't find it. Whatever.
What are you looking for? Oh, your little rocket? Oh, stop. We'll figure it out. In fact, we'll have to do a video probably on that, won't we? All right.
Wait. Maybe it launches from the volcano.
No. We will follow directions. You're going to mash it, and then we won't be able to use it. Okay, so now they know what is inside there. We're not gonna get that to shut. We can do that after this video. All right.
Bye. Please like and subscribe.